Hey guys, it's Natalia, and today I'm going to show you my slimes. And you can see, I just finished messing with it. Okay, so this is my pink slime. I've showed it to you in my other videos. I think like 3 already, or 2, I don't know. But it's so stretchy and it's awesome. And then I'm gonna keep this in here. And I also got this other pistachio color slime. It's very gooey. And is this table? Don't want to get anything in me. Okay, I'm gonna just get this slime out. Okay. And it's very awesome too. And this is more drippier than the pink one. But it's awesome. And it's softer than, ooh! Okay. It's softer than the pink one. As you can see. It's faster. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I'm going to mix these two up. So, there's more of the green one. So, look at this big, huge blob. And I think in one of my last videos, I think I had said something that I was going to show you this other green one. This here with right now. But now I'm showing.